Hello students, welcome to Sorosar classes. For detailed information about our classes, you can just visit our website, that is www.sorosarclasses.com, or if you need study materials and full videos of our courses, then you can just call us or WhatsApp us at this number 9836793076. You can even like our videos and subscribe our channel for further more videos. Today we are discussing some questions on general knowledge, and here is our first question. The question is, if the interest rate is decreased in an economy, it will. Now here four options are given. Option A, that is decrease the consumption expenditure in the economy. Option B, that is increase the tax collection of the government. Option C, that is increase the investment expenditure in the economy, and option D, the last one, is increase the total savings in the economy. So a decreased interest rate would lead to cheaper loans. If the interest rate is decreased, then the loans can be get as cheaper, which would further help in increasing the investment expenditure. This will lead to increasing the investment expenditure by the private players, as the loans would be cheaper. Thus, decreasing the interest rate in an economy would lead to an upward shift in the investment expenditure of the economy. So, option C, that is increase the investment expenditure in the economy, is the correct answer. So, if the interest rate is decreased in an economy, it will increase the investment expenditure of that economy. Now, in our next question, here two terms are mentioned, and the terms are marginal standing facility rate and net demand and time liabilities. You can even hear these terms in news channels. So the terms marginal standing facility rate and net demand and time liabilities, sometimes appearing in news, are used in relation to, and here some options are given. Option A, that is banking operations. Option B, that is communication networking. Option C, that is military strategies, and option D is the supply demand of agricultural products. Now, marginal standing facility rate, which is commonly known as MSF, is the rate at which banks can borrow overnight from RBI, where banks can borrow overnight from RBI. This was introduced in the monetary policy of RBI for the year 2011-12. The MSF is peaked 100 bps or a percent above the repo rate. Banks can borrow funds through MSF when there is a considerable shortfall of liquidity. This measure has been introduced by RBI to regulate the short-term asset liabilities. The short-term asset liability, mismatches more effectively been introduced by RBI to regulate the short-term asset liability. On the other hand, NDTL, that is net demand and time liabilities, commonly known as NDTL, refers to the sum of demands and time liabilities of banks with public and other banks. The deposits with the bank are its liabilities. Here, deposits are liabilities, and these deposits are payable on demand. It includes current deposits, demand liabilities, and demand drafts. NDTL includes current deposits, demand drafts, and demand liabilities. So here option A, that is banking operations, is the correct answer. So the term marginal standing facility rate and net demand and time liabilities, sometimes appearing in news, are used in relation to banking operations.